traders, this is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Wednesday, September 9th. I'm going to run through everything real quick. Had a ton of trades today. We had 10 opportunities today. We had 8 winners. We had 1 loser. We had 1 break even. And we had some really nice ones. So again, this is in no particular time order. Going to go through everything here. Our break even was in gold. We had a power play. We got in, we added, we were easily able to get out here at break even. So that was a scratch. In gold, we had a beautiful trade. In gold, I said the market was going to go up to 37.80, and then if it got to 38.01, it was going to go to 38.20. That's exactly where it went to. We hit that power play long at 11.03, 37.43. And boom, that trade just went. So that was a beautiful trade for almost 80 ticks, and never came back to the entry. So nothing in the ES today. We stuck to the NQ. First trade in the NQ was a short trade, and that was a pretty nice one. We got short on a power play, and actually some of us hit it twice. It was a 28 quarter. The first time it went down to 22 quarter, made 20 ticks, go to entry. When it came back up, hit it again. When it came back down on the next candle, and it went from 28 quarter all the way down over 80 ticks. Over 80 ticks right there, okay? 80 ticks, very, very quick. Profit. Our loser, we were looking for higher levels here, and our loser came here. Something really weird happened. Just, a lot of volatility in the NASDAQ, and we were up big. In fact, we didn't even really add on to this trade because it stopped us out like in seconds. It just went up to our entry and just boom, it just slammed down like within a second or two. That was just our stop. And I said, if it goes back up, hit it again, because it was just something was going on around here. I don't know what it was, but I said they want to go higher. If they come back up, we got long at 1027 candle. The price was 11,295, 11,295, and you'll see the trade went up. We had a target there. We had a material change there. So we did not make it all the way up to here because we were not still in. But when I call the short up there, so I told everybody, if you're in, great, reverse. If you're not in, which most people were not by that point, then, hit it short. So 295, went up 75 points. So over 300 ticks and straight up. I mean, within a minute, you had a monster trade, 40 points or so. And then we hit a death candle trade short after the 1042 candle. I said get short. It was around 69.70 here. And I said my exact words were they got to get below 60, and then they may test this circle, and it's going to be key if they get below that circle. But in the process, we were able to get a pretty nice win because it went down from, let's say, 370. It went down over 100 ticks, again, after this green candle. So it was actually this candle. Boom. No heat, straight down into profits, move your stop down, and boom. Then we hit a RS. We actually hit several RSs. We had an RS here up at 51.50. And once it started we'll get it going there. We got a nice trade there from 51.50 down almost 40 points. And that was 125, 150 tick trade again within a candle and a half. Market came up. I said, let's try it again. We hit it short a couple times here, made 20, but it was bouncing around here. So made 20, 25, move your stop down. Couldn't stay in on any runners. Same thing here, 20, 25. This one made a little bit more. This one made after the 1130 candle. That made from 69 down over about 50 ticks. So we're running out of time here. I only got 5 minutes on the recording. We are going to come back tomorrow. Check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com.